Hi everyone, this is Manish again. In this short video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can create a donut chart in Tableau. You'll also find a link to download the workbook for your reference. And if you'd like to watch many more such videos, then I request that you please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started. On your screen right now, what you see is a comparison of how a donut chart looks as compared to a pie chart. And you can quickly see that a donut chart is more visually appealing than a pie chart, although they both convey the same information. So let's get quickly started into how to create a donut chart. I'm using Global Superstore data to build this chart, and here are the steps, right? So I will go to a new sheet, and what I'm trying to do is show profits per market. So I have selected market and clicked on profit, and first step is I am going to actually create a pie chart and then extend this into a donut chart, right? So here is what my pie chart looks like. In addition to this, what I need is a calculated field, and this is a very simple calculated field. I have just put in a number 1 because I want to count the rows. So I have named it as row count, put in the value as 1. What do I need to do now? I need to drag it to the rows shelf and change the aggregate level to minimum, and then I'm pressing my keyboard control button to duplicate this here. And the next step is I will create it as a dual axis chart. So with this, I'm again back to square one. Looks like I have a pie chart. What I first need to do is remove the headers. So I've removed the headers. Then I am going to just resize them a little so that it looks a little better. And what you see now on the marks card is I have two fields in here, right? Both of them show minimum row count, right? So I'm going to the second one, and what I'll do is remove all of these three. I do not need them, and change the color to white. And then I'll go to size control and decrease the size a little. And Eureka, this is what we were trying to do. So if you could figure out what has happened here is we created two pie charts, superimpose them one on top of the other, and then and then one of the pie charts we change that color of the pie chart to white and then minimize the size of it. So right now what we see is a donut chart. How we can beautify this further is put market into label and profit into label for the first data item. And for the second data item, what we can do is, since we have a lot of white space in here, we can fill this with profit value. We can also increase the size a little to make this look a little better, and also mark it as bold. So right now, what you have is in the donuts, right, which is actually a pie chart, we are showing the sum of profit per market, and in the label inside the donut, what we are showing is the total value clubbed together. To make it even better, what we can do is sort the first chart um, based on this field, which is our primary field profit, and market descending. So all of my markets are sorted in descending order of profit, and that's what gives you a donut chart. Now in comparison, when you look at the chart again, this looks much neater than what a pie chart looks like. So that's it for now, guys. I'll be creating many more such interesting videos and sharing with you guys. Happy learning. See you. Bye bye for now.